Fulvam. Welcome you all. The compound is insoluble in water. Today we are slightly soluble in ethanol, methanol, acetone, benzene by fermentation process. Tetrachloride. Grisofulvin is an antifungal antibiotic used in a different type of the worm infection. Learning objectives. Learner will be able to understand manufacturing of grisofulvin antifungal antibiotic by fermentation process. It was first isolated from Penicillium species in 1939. It is a secondary metabolite produced by fungus Penicillium grisofulvum. The chemical properties of this grisofulvin: it is insoluble in water, slightly soluble in ethanol, methanol, acetone, benzene, CHCl3, ethyl acetate and acetic acid. This is the structure of antibiotic grisofulvin. Molecular formula C17H17Cl06. Now first step in a production of grisofulvin by fermentation process, that is cultivation of species or cultivation of Penicillium species. Then preparation of media. We have to use the Zapek dox medium for the growth of these Penicillium species. Composition of these Zapek dox media, that is glucose 5%, sodium nitrate 0.2%, potassium hydrogen phosphate 0.1%, then magnesium sulfate 0.05%. We are using the submerged fermentation technique for the production of grisofulvin. Submerged means liquid medium is there, and within that liquid nutrient medium you have to submerge your selected microorganism and allow to keep it for the fermentation process. Then steps involved in a manufacturing process of the grisofulvin. First is the fermentation process, then pre-treatment of fermentation broth, filtration, extraction, decolorization, isolation and separation, then precipitation and purification. These are the steps involved in the production of grisofulvin. Then in submerged state of the fermentation, Zapek dox medium was adjusted between 6 to 7.2 pH. Then medium was dispensed in a fermenter. The fresh sample of mycelia suspension of fungus Penicillium grisofulvum from fresh slope on a Raper steep agar was obtained. Fresh slope means you have to subculture it from a suitable source on the slanting medium. Then the composition of that medium is Zapek dox medium plus corn steep and agar. The solution was autoclaved for 20 minutes at 120 degrees centigrade at 15 lbs pressure and fermented for 14 days at 24 degrees centigrade. First of all, you have to autoclave it for the purpose of sterilization, and then you have to keep the temperature 24 degree and keep it for the 14 days. And this is the diagrammatic presentation of submerged fermenter. Then pre-treatment of fermentation broth. The broth is heated above the 60 degrees centigrade for 20 to 30 minutes. After heating, sufficient coagulation of material occurs to produce a valuable improvement in separation characteristic of broth. The period of heating may be short, that is 5 to 10 minutes at 80 degrees centigrade, having been found to produce a satisfactory increase in a filtration rate. Means as the coagulation is more, the rate of filtration will be high. Drum covered with diatomaceous earth matter and allowed to rotate under vacuum with high immersed in a slurry tank. A small amount of coagulation agent added to broth and pumped into slurry tank. As a drum rotates in a slurry tank under vacuum, thin layer of coagulated particle adhered to drum. Then the layer thickened to form cake around that drum. As the cake portion of drum comes to upper region which is not immersed in a liquid, it is washed with water and dewatered immediately by blowing air over it. Then before the dried portion is again immersed into the liquid, it is cut off from drum by knife. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of the half drum is dipped into the broth. Central duct is there and subcentral duct is consist of the suction. This drum is covered with the diatomaceous earth, and because of the suction, the particles from the broth adhered on the surface of this drum, and as this drum rotates and coming under the flow of washing water, they removed out the adhere part of the particle on the drum and it is collected as the solid product, or knife or cutter is used for the removal of the cake from the drum. The next process is the extraction. Grisofulvin is extracted in cold acetone when it is used as an extraction agent. Extraction with cold acetone may be carried out with efficiencies between 75 to 96%, even up to 99.5%. The quantity of solvent used in extraction at large scale production should be kept minimum. Selected solvent for the extraction of the grisofulvin from the extract, that is from the broth, it is acetone, and its efficiency is up to 99.5%. The volume of acetone should be 3 to 5 times of the mycelial felt. Then next is the decolorization. Color of extract can be improved by addition of calcium hydroxide, usually 2.5 to 5 gram per liter, preferably 5 to 30 gram per liter. Means that much amount of calcium hydroxide per liter you have to add into your broth. Then you can isolate it, you can decolorize it by using this calcium hydroxide. Then pH of extract should be about 10. It can be neutralized by removal of lime or by using mineral acid. As pH of your medium is high, either you have to neutralize it by addition of acid or you have to remove out the lime from your medium. Next is the isolation and separation. The impurities or waxy substances are removed by washing the extract with solvent in which extract is immiscible and also grisofulvin is insoluble. This is the criteria for the selected solvent. The hydrocarbon solvents, generally aliphatic hydrocarbons such as hexane or petroleum containing high portion of hexane, are in general suitable for this step. Means hydrocarbon rich solvents are suitable. Then precipitation and purification. Grisofulvin can be precipitated from solvent extract in various ways. One of the method is using liquid solvent in which grisofulvin is substantially insoluble. Grisofulvin non-solvent is preferably water. Alkaline water is more effective for removal of colored impurities present in a crystal of grisofulvin. Water is made alkaline with ammonia or alkali metal carbonate or alkali metal hydroxide, and the suitable pH is about 8.5. Purity of precipitate is generally improved by washing with solvent for small quantities of impurities remaining. The soluble washing media are dry or wet acetone, lower alkanol, for example methanol and butanol. Marked purification is obtained with the use of methanol for this step. Then usage of the grisofulvin used in a ringworm infection in beard, then ringworm infection of scalp, the fungal diseases of the nails, then athlete's foot, then ringworm infection of body. Okay, this is all about the production of antifungal antibiotic grisofulvin. Thank you so much.